Are you planning to buy a cordless ratchet? You need to manage some time to gather the necessary information about it, because there are many such options to confuse you to pick the one for you. But the fact is, you may not have the time to do the research. Hello friends, welcome our Gadgets and Reviews channel. Today we will discuss Cordless Ratchet Wrench, which are best sold and achieve top-rated reviews from customers. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. KIMO Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench. Trying to thread your ratchet through the parts in your engine or behind a wall in your home is incredibly difficult if you're not using a cordless ratchet like the KIMO Cordless Ratchet. It has an ultra-slim head to maneuver through narrow spaces and a built-in LED light, so you can see where the head needs to go. You also can control the amount of speed you want to use with the variable speed trigger that allows you to increase the speed from 0 to 400 RPM. This inch cordless ratchet has a maximum torque of 40 feet-pounds, and it has an ergonomic handle that helps reduce hand fatigue and resists common chemicals in automotive, marine, and aviation industries. It also features a forward-reverse switch, a trigger lock, and an onboard battery gauge, so you can keep track of how much power your battery has remaining. This 12-volt cordless ratchet comes in a protective carrying case, and includes 7 common sockets, and an 1 to 1/4 inch drive adapter. Number 2. Ingersoll Rand AR1120K1 Ratchet Wrench. Ingersoll Company is established in making high-performing power tools, and this Ingersoll Rand AR1120K1 12V cordless ratchet is proof of that. This tool is made versatile to deliver the high performance that you need to complete your mechanical projects. It features a powerful 12V motor that delivers up to 30 feet-pound of torque with the capability to handle extra manual torquing whenever needed. The powerful motor is also responsible for delivering 260 RPM fastening speed that is important at loosening and tightening both nuts and bolts. This electric ratchet wrench features a uniquely designed handle and a padded trigger that permits different comfortable gripping techniques. With a slimline 12V lithium-ion battery, it is much easier to work within tight places that bigger ratchets can't reach. Apart from its high price, this Ingersoll Rand R112 might also have some issues with its gears. It also overheats even on a small project. If you intend to deal with large projects, therefore, we recommend that you consider a different model. Pros. It is compact with a durable motor. Has an excellent power output. Comes ergonomically designed with a smaller head for tighter car maintenance and repairs. Number 3. ACDelco ARW1201 Cordless Li-ion Ratchet Wrench. The G12 series from ACDelco shows that a powerful electric ratchet doesn't have to be heavy or bulky. With an output torque that goes up to 57 feet-pounds, this is the most powerful model on this list. It's specially designed for heavy-duty applications, such as working on suspension or drivetrain components. Meanwhile, the durable aluminum housing also helps it to be lighter than most, weighing slightly above 3 pounds. Maneuvering in tight spaces is also easy, thanks to a clever design that makes the whole ratchet quite slim and compact. Nonetheless, with a maximum output speed of just 160 RPM, this cordless ratchet is not among the fastest on this list. Still, this is not something that may represent a problem for most users. Unless you are working as a rally mechanic, you probably won't see the difference between 250 and 160 RPM on your timesheet anyway. The real downside, though, is the battery, offering a quite limited capacity. But the fact that this ratchet comes with 2 separate batteries gives an easy way around this problem. All in all, the ACDelco G12 series cordless ratchet is a powerful tool that offers great value for money. It's a little more expensive than the Husky model mentioned above and thus, might be better suited for automotive technicians. On the other hand, if you are an apprentice and you are lucky enough to have the budget for it, you can be sure it will last you for years to come. Pros. Compact and lightweight design. Very powerful, 57 feet-pounds, electric motor. Easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Number 4. Milwaukee 245721M12 Cordless Ratchet Kit. Milwaukee is a famous name in the business, with its cordless impact wrenches being an unavoidable part of most auto repair shops. Taking a share in the growing electric ratchet market segment is a logical step for a firm with such heritage. The Milwaukee M12 cordless ratchet is a capable tool that offers a wide range of applications. With an electric motor that delivers up to 35 feet-pounds of torque, it can take on even the most demanding jobs. The maximum speed it produces is 250 RPM, and a variable speed trigger will ensure better control while fastening any fastener you come across. Furthermore, this ratchet comes with a durable M12 battery and a fast 30 minutes charger. The combination of prolonged battery life and short charging times makes it perfect for professionals and heavy-duty applications. Meanwhile, the built-in LED light is helpful when working inside engine bays, as it gives a better overview of the work area. Another useful feature is the precise battery life indicator, providing a clear insight into the remaining battery capacity. However, all products have one or more flaws, and this Milwaukee ratchet wrench is no exception. With a weight that exceeds 4 pounds, this ratchet is among the heaviest on this list. Regardless of this minor downside, the Milwaukee 245721M12 cordless ratchet is a well-balanced tool capable of tackling all sorts of work. I've said it before, and I will say it again, you simply can't go wrong with Milwaukee's cordless tool lineup. If you work as a professional auto mechanic, this is the one you need. Number 5. AOBEN Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench Set. When you get this cordless ratchet set home, you can begin working almost immediately due to the rapid charging time of the battery charger. Each of the two included 12-volt lithium-ion batteries takes just 1 hour to fully charge. The set also comes with 6 stainless steel sockets in the most common sizes, 1 inch to 1/4 inch adapter, and a 3-inch extension bar. The cordless ratchet has a maximum torque of 40 feet-pounds, and produces a speed of up to 280 RPM, which can be controlled with the variable speed trigger. This product also has an LED light on the front for better visibility, and battery power indicator lights on the side, so that you know when you are running low on power. This set comes in a durable plastic case that has organized slots to keep your tools safe when they aren't being used. About this item: powerful torque AOBEN electric ratchet wrench, offers 12-volt max motor, and plenty of torque at 40 feet-pounds to remove or install bolts, or nuts. Includes 2 batteries, 1 charger and 8 bolts. Superior fastening speed ratchet wrench set. Superior fastening speed. Produces 280 RPM with a variable speed trigger for excellent control. LED lighting. LED light on the front of the unit, lighting the workplace for you in the dark. Lights on the side of the unit will let you know how much power you have left. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video. Don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get new update videos. Also check the description box for products links.